Hello everyone, my name is Khush Patel and today in this video we are looking at LeetCode problem number 4, median of two sorted arrays. So basically this is hard level of question. We are given two sorted arrays num1 and num2 of size m and n respectively. We have to return the median of two sorted arrays. The overall runtime complexity should be O of log m plus n. So in this video, we are not looking at the time complexity. We are just try to we will just try to solve this question in any way. Then in the next video, we will try to uh, reduce our time complexity apart from these two. Here are some examples in input. Num1 is 1 and 3, num2 is 2. Uh, when we will merge this, our merged array will be 1, 2, 3. So basically we have to merge the arrays and then sort it too. Then our median will be 2. Same as we have example number 2. So let's try to solve this. So firstly, we have to uh, merge both array nums1 and nums2. There are multiple methods to in to merge two arrays. We will try to insert num2 in nums1. In this, at the end of nums1, we will uh, we will insert nums2 at the end of the nums1. So nums1 and nums2 begin to the nums2 end. So our nums2 will be inserted inside nums1. After this, we will also have to sort both the arrays, not both the array, nums1 array, which is merged array. We can use different methods to sort two arrays too, but in this video, we will simply use sort method. Okay, so we have merged both arrays and sorted it too. And now let's try to find its median. So firstly, I will get the length of the new sorted and merged array. Now, if our length is even number, then our median will be different, and our length is odd number, then our median will be different. So let's keep in mind and let's first try to solve the question for if our merged and sorted arrays length is even number. So we have to make sum of that both array in nums1 and nums2. And after that, we will return sum divided by 2. So that will be our median. Uh, I am using 0.02 here because in the divide operator C++, if you want to get decimals, you have to do this. In this, uh, we want median numbers So for that, I will use len divided by 2 here, and here len divided by 2 minus 1, because you know that our size operator will give us exact number of size and our index is starts from the 0, and else here it becomes very easy. We will return nums 1 exact middle of the number. And you know that if our all the example, sorry, here we have to minus it first from the length, then we will divide it. Let's try to run it and check our all the example cases. Okay, so this was the syntax error. Let's try to run it again. Here our sorted array's name is nums1. Okay, all the our example cases are solved. Let's try to submit it. Okay, so as you can see, our code beats 100% of the solutions and uses 0 millisecond. Uh, we have used sort method. So that's why our complexity is O of m plus n into log of m plus n. Here m is number size of num1 and n is number of size of nums2. So thank you for watching this video.